Are you building an online course platform on WordPress but unsure if the free version of MasterStudy LMS is enough or if Pro is worth the upgrade? Well, in this video, we are going to take a look at MasterStudy LMS, which is one of the most popular LMS plugins for WordPress. We're going to compare the free version with the Pro version and decide which is better for you. By the end of this video, you can decide if the free version is enough or should you upgrade to Pro. So let's get started. First, we're going to take a look at the free version of MasterStudy LMS. So we have an experimental website over here. What we're going to do is install MasterStudy LMS on this website. Once it's installed and activated, it will launch a setup wizard. This setup wizard will help us get started. We can choose what type of e-learning site we want to create. Then we can choose how we want our course pages to be. If we don't have a page, we can create it. We can choose the course layout, courses per page, courses per row, etc. We can also choose course tabs, so we can include description, curriculum, FAQ, notice, and reviews. For quizzes, we can decide if we want a one page for all quizzes or a pagination system. We can also allow instructors to upload video files to video lessons and allow instructors to create new categories. For profiles, we can include instructor registration, pre-moderation. We can also choose a sign-up form on a separate page, instructor public profile, student public profile. We can also choose how the profile pages will be displayed. Now we can create a course or import demo courses. We will get the unlimited lessons and quizzes, powerful user management for students and instructors. We can also sell our courses using Stripe, PayPal, and WooCommerce. Now, as soon as we install the free version, we will be taken to this page, and here we can configure our courses. We also get access to MasterStudy templates with the free version of MasterStudy. We can install it from here, view a live demo, or just close this up. If we close this section, we can still access the MasterStudy templates. If we scroll down and go to Appearance section, MasterStudy templates will be included. If we click on it, here we can install the MasterStudy templates. Once it's installed, we will be taken to this section. Here we can choose a template. As you can see, we have access to only one template, which is the starter. If we get MasterStudy Premium, we will have access to more templates such as marketing, university, art, coaching, and technology. We can also choose what type of page builder we want for our template. We can choose either Elementor or Gutenberg. For Gutenberg, we only have the starter template, so we can import it. Then we have to import the necessary plugins. Then we have to import the demo contents and theme settings. And then we can decide to include a child theme. Now we can view our website. So that is how our website is looking with the free starter theme of MasterStudy LMS. Now you can do all this with just the free version of MasterStudy LMS. Now what about the other features? Let's first talk about the course builder. The course builder of MasterStudy LMS allows us to create and manage courses quite easily. As we imported a starter site, we also imported the demo courses. Let's take a look at this course, which will allow us to explore the course builder of MasterStudy LMS. Here we can add the basic course information such as the course title. We can choose a course category. We can also add a course description, excerpt, and featured image. Once we're ready, we can open up the course builder. This is where we can actually build our course. So the course builder has several sections: curriculum, content drip, settings, pricing, FAQ, and notice. In the curriculum section, this is where you build your courses. What you simply do is create a new section, you add a name to your section, and after you do, you will have the option to add a lesson. Now, when we click on Add Lesson, we will have some options. With the free version, we can add only text lessons and video lessons. As you can see, the PDF lesson, audio lesson, stream lesson, Zoom lesson, and Google Meet lesson, these are only available in the Pro version of the plugin. Once we click on a lesson type, for example, a text lesson, we can add a lesson name, we can add a lesson duration, we can also enable lesson preview if you want, and then we can add a short description of the lesson. Next, we can add in our lesson content. And if we want, we can also include lesson materials. Once we're done, we can click on the create button and the lesson will be created. So that's how you can create a text lesson. For a video lesson, we can choose the video lesson from here. We can select a source. For example, we can include from HTML, YouTube, Vimeo, external link, embedded, and shortcode. For markers and questions, this is only available in MasterStudy LMS Pro, but we will have access to the Q&A section for this lesson. And after that, for video lessons, we can include everything that we included in the text lesson. So that's the main difference. Now this is the course builder of MasterStudy LMS. Now let's also talk about the quiz builder. So if you want to create quizzes, you can simply click on Add Lesson and click on Quiz. You can insert your quiz name, then click on Create, and the quiz will be created. The quiz builder opens right up within the course builder, and here is where you can add questions to your quizzes. So there are two options. We can click on the questions or add questions from the question bank. If we click on the question button over here, we will get several question types or categories to choose from. We can create from single choice, multiple choice, true false, matching, image matching, keywords, and fill in the gap. Once we choose a question type, the interface will change based on the question type we have selected. Then we can proceed to create the question. Let's create a simple question so that you can understand how this quiz builder works. We added our question over here, and we also added some answers. We can add as many answers as we want, but since this is a single choice question, we will have to have a single answer. So we have to choose which is the correct answer. And we can also include an answer explanation so that students can take a look at what the explanation is. And after that, we can also edit the explanation if needed in future. We can also make this question required so students cannot avoid this question. Also, we can add an image to this question. After that, we can add as many questions as we want. From the question bank, we can create a question bank and add a bank name, select number of questions, and we can also choose categories, and then we can save it over here. We will also be able to access the questions library, so no matter how many questions we have created, all these questions will be available. We can quickly add the questions from the question list to our question, like so. Once we're done, we can click on Save, and we will have successfully created a quiz. So that's the quiz builder of MasterStudy LMS. If we take a look at the settings section, we can see there are various quiz settings such as short description of the quiz, quiz duration, quiz style. We can choose pagination and global from here. We can also randomize questions, show the correct answer after the attempt, retake after pass, randomize answers, quiz attempt history, and also limit attempts to retake quizzes. We can also include passing grade and points cut after retake. For grades, this is only available in MasterStudy Pro. We can also include lesson content from here. And we can also include a Q&A section for this quiz as well. Now for the drip content feature, it's only available in MasterStudy Pro through an add-on, so we won't be able to use it in the free version. If we take a look at the settings is broken down into main, access, prerequisites, course file, certificate, and course page. In the main section, we will be able to add our course name, the URL, category. We can also include a level. We can also include the owner and the image of the course. And we can also include a video preview, but that's only available in the Pro version. We can include course duration, video duration, description, course preview, and also basic information. We can also include course requirements, intended audience, course status. We can also include course start date and end date, current number of students, course views, and if this is a featured course, we can make it into a featured course. We can also turn this into a multi-instructor course, but this is, as you can see, only available in MasterStudy Pro. We can also take a look at the access settings. From here, we can add a time limit to our course, but of course, there are other features such as trial courses and upcoming courses status. These are only available in MasterStudy Pro. For prerequisites, we need MasterStudy Pro again, so this will unlock the feature where students must complete some other courses or requirements in order to enroll to this course. We can also include course files, and as for certificate builder, this is also available through the add-on and only available in MasterStudy Pro. And we can also choose a course page, so how our course will look like. You can see that there are several templates available over here, but we will only get access to this basic template. In the pricing section, we can see that we can turn it into a one-time purchase. So if we enable it, we can include a price over here, and we can also include a sale price. For point system and group courses, these are only available in the MasterStudy Pro. So if you have MasterStudy Pro, you can include these features as well. We can also include an FAQ section for this course and also a notice section for the course. Once we're done, we can view and see how this course looks in the front end. Okay, so all of this you can do with the free version of MasterStudy LMS. Now, if we talk about the add-ons, this is actually the main attraction of the Pro version, as this allows you to use all the add-ons and advanced features with MasterStudy Pro. With MasterStudy Free, you won't have access to any of these add-ons. As you can see, there are very useful add-ons such as Certificate Builder, subscriptions, Email Manager, email branding, the AI Lab, grades, drip content, assignments, LMS form editor, prerequisites, media file manager, group courses, question media, social login, etc. Okay, so we only get this in the Pro version. So that's what we get with the free version of MasterStudy LMS. Now let's actually see what we get in the Pro version. Already you have an idea of what you're getting in the Pro version because they have already included what you're getting in the free version within the free version. So we're creating a sandbox of the live demo from MasterStudy LMS website. So this gives us access to MasterStudy Pro, and we can explore what features we're getting in MasterStudy Pro. So first, let's take a look at the themes. So if we go to MasterStudy templates, now you can see you have access to all the templates. So you can choose whichever template you want. If we take a look at the course builder, so let's take a look at the first course over here. Now we can add a lesson, and from here we can create PDF lessons, audio lessons, stream lessons, Zoom lesson, and Google Meet lesson. If we create a Zoom lesson, we will have to enter a meeting password, start date, end date, lesson duration. We can also take a look at some live online class options. Then we can add in our short description, lesson content, and lesson materials. We can also create an audio lesson. So for an audio lesson, we can choose a source. We can upload the audio file, external link embedded from Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, Deezer, and Spotify. We can also include a shortcode, and we can include lesson duration, lesson preview, short description, lesson content, and the usual lesson material. We can also include a stream lesson. So in this case, if we want to stream our lesson, we can enter a stream URL, start and end date, start time and end time. We can also include lesson duration, and also we get the regular short description, lesson content, and materials. Similarly, we can create Google Meet lesson and PDF lesson as well. The PDF lesson is kind of new. So here what you can do is add a PDF lesson name. We can enter the lesson duration, short description, and here we can upload our PDF file from our computer, and then we can include the lesson content and lesson materials. Now for quizzes, if we take a look at it, we can access all the quiz categories just like in the free version. But if we take a look at the settings, here we can see there are some more options such as the grade points. So if you want to include a grade point, you can include from here. You can also take a look at the grades table to know what are the points and range of these grades. And looking at that, you can add in your passing grade from here. So that's the thing that you get in the quiz builder. Now, if we go to the drip content settings, now that you have the MasterStudy Pro, you will have access to the content drip section. So you can decide how your students will be able to access your course. We can also create a new dependency just by clicking over here. We can drag in our lessons, like so. Okay, and we can drag in lessons like this. In this way, your students won't be able to freely access all the content of your course. Instead, they will have to follow the path that you have designated. Once you're done, you can save it, and that is how you can create your drip content settings. If we move on to the settings tab, we can add the same information that we added in the free version. But now here you can see there's a new option called the co-instructor. Because the multi-instructor is enabled, now you can add the multi-instructor information. There are also more information, for example, the video type and video preview. So you can now add a lesson preview video for your courses. Here you can also see in the additional information, you can include the access duration, access device type, and certificate info. So some more new features are added or included in the Pro version. In the access settings, now you can see there are more options, such as you can make this a trial course. Besides including the time limit, now you can make this into a trial course, or you can make this into an upcoming course status. So you have access to these options as well. And as for the prerequisites, now you can include the courses and the passing percentage of those courses that students must get in order to enroll to this course. As for course files, we had access to this in the free version, but for the certificate builder, this is something new that you get in the MasterStudy Pro. So you get access to 10 different certificate templates. As you can see, there are various templates available for your MasterStudy courses. Not only that, you will also be able to create or design your own certificate. We will check that out just in a minute. So let's take a look at the course page now. Now you can choose the template of your course page. So you won't only have access to the default one, you can choose the classic, industrial, timeless, sleek with sidebar, so you can choose what type of design you want for your course page. And now let's move on to the pricing. So for pricing, you can include the one-time purchase and also subscriptions. So if we take a look at the one-time purchase, you can add in the price, sale price. You can also schedule your sale date. So if you have a sale going on, you can include how long this sale will last. You can also include subscriptions. So you can create subscription plans such as silver plan, gold plan, and add the pricing for those subscriptions as well. You can also include an enterprise price. You can also choose if this will be included in the membership or not. You can also affiliate this course if you want. For that, you have to add in a button text and button link. You can include how many points the students will accumulate after completing this course and also the price info. While we're in the subject of pricing, let's also discuss the payment methods. Now, by default in MasterStudy LMS, you will get access to Stripe, PayPal, wire transfer, and offline payment. You can also use Paid Membership Pro with your MasterStudy LMS website. Now let's talk about something else. For example, the certificate builder. So if we head on to the add-on section, here you can see you have access to all the add-ons now. Let's look for the certificate builder. Here it is. So if we click on settings, it's going to take us to the certificate builder directly. We can also access it from the backend dashboard. So if we scroll over here, you can see there's a new option called certificates. So if we click over here, we can see all the data over here. We can also add a new certificate by clicking on add new button. And this is where we can add our certificate. We can either start from blank canvas or choose one of the templates and then customize those templates to make that certificate our own design. Now, to design a certificate, you'll have access to several elements such as text, images, shapes, and you can also include a certificate background. Now, how you can use the certificate builder of MasterStudy LMS to create professional certificates, if you want to learn, we have a tutorial on that you can check in the video description. Now, that's what you get in MasterStudy Free versus MasterStudy Pro. If you guys want to learn how you can create courses or quizzes with MasterStudy, we have several tutorials on MasterStudy. You can find all those tutorials in the video description. Now let's talk about the pricing of MasterStudy. So the first one is the starter, which is the free, and you already saw what you're getting in the free version. You get the free license, free updates, the starter template, and also community support. Now there are two types of plan, annual and lifetime. If we take a look at the annual plans first, you can get MasterStudy LMS single site license for $99 per year. Now this gives you one site license as it's said over here and access to other features. If you want, you can also get the 10 site license for $199, and the unlimited plan gives you unlimited site licenses, which is only $399. If we take a look at the lifetime plans, here you have to make only a one-time payment and you can keep using the plugin. The regular prices of single, 10 sites, and unlimited lifetime tiers are $249, $499, $999 respectively. Now these were the pricing of MasterStudy LMS. And with that, we have reached the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.